Hi, so here we're actually testing on the HDR input and output card on a 9x18x18 card cage module matrix switcher. So here we have this one is the HDMI generator. Right now we can set out like the resolutions and also the image. And then from this generator, then we have the HDMI AOC cable. Then along this here we can see it's 100 meters or 330 feet. Then we have this one. We don't need the extra power supply. Then we get this one into the HDMI input card. It's the input 5 and the input 6, which we're using the slim HDMI Cooper cable, which is from this laptop. Then here we have the HDR output card. It's the output 3. Then we have this one, 6 feet, then to this 4K monitor here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set up the HDR, then we can check out how the HDR works for this monitor. So here if we press this button, then we can see the resolution. It's 4K 60 Hz. This one is the color space. We're using the YUV444. And the HDCP can support the HDCP 2.2 because this monitor cannot support the HDCP, so we didn't turn on this one. So right now we already have the HDR 1. If we switch to the HDR 3, HDR 4, HDR 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see the picture is actually changing. If we have the HDR off, we need to wait a little bit. So now this is the picture with the HDR off. HDR on. So this is the with the HDR. So basically with the HDMI AOC cable can up to 100 meters without the extra power supply, because the HDMI input card can give a 5 voltage power supply for the AOC cable. So if now we are going to switch to this input 6 from this MacBook, just press the button, input 6 to all the outputs, press up button. Then we can see we already got the source, which is from this laptop. And this laptop right now is actually using the 1080p 60 Hz. You can just press. You can see it's the 1080p 60 source. And we switch back to the HDMI generator, input 5. Then we press the menu on this monitor, then we can check out the resolution. So it's 4K 60 Hz. If we press the button here, so it's HDMI 2.0. Okay, thank you so much.